in a twist, the Supreme Court has stayed the Punjab and Haryana High Court order, which directed the opening of the Naya Gaon Road to the public in front of the Punjab Chief Minister's residence. The decision was taken keeping in mind the traffic congestion in the area, but the Aam Aadmi Party government challenged it by citing a resurgence of terrorism. The road was initially closed to the public in the 1980s due to terrorism and security threat. Now, making remarks during the court hearing, the Supreme Court bench had said that nobody wants anything untoward to happen. Remember, the bench was hearing the Punjab government's challenge to the order that had been passed by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. This is while they were dealing with other matters pertaining to traffic woes and infrastructural problems as well. Now, calling for the temporary opening up of the road to the Chief Minister's residence, the High Court had in its order directed the Director General of Police and the Senior Superintendent of Police to formulate a traffic management plan so as to ease the traffic congestion. But to get us more on this latest update from the Supreme Court, we're crossing over to my colleague Rakesh for more. Rakesh, the Supreme Court has stayed the Punjab... All right, my mistake. We're actually crossing over to my colleague Harish, who joins us on the broadcast. Harish, can you tell us more about what took place in court and what the important takeaways were when it comes to the remarks that were made?
Yes, that's right. In fact, the Supreme Court has stayed the Punjab and Haryana High Court order directing that road outside residence of Punjab CMB open for public. High Court had directed opening to deal with the traffic congestion in the area. Road was closed due to terrorism in 1980s. Punjab government raised terrorism. Punjab government told Supreme Court that unfortunately in recent years there is a resurgence of terrorism. Therefore, the road should not be opened. Even Solicitor General Tushar Mehta for Chandigarh Union Territory said this is playing with somebody's life and opposed High Court order. And as you rightly said, Supreme Court was hearing an appeal filed by Punjab government challenging April 22 Punjab and Haryana High Court order directing the Chandigarh DGP or SSP to formulate a plan to ease the traffic congestion by opening the Naya Gaon Road in front of Punjab CM's residence on an experimental basis from May 1. Punjab government had raised security and threat perception, and in fact, the High Court had directed it to ease traffic congestion in the area. The road was closed due to terrorism in the 1980s. What the High Court said is that the road should be opened on working days from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. initially, as it would ease the traffic situation on working days.
Absolutely. Harish, thank you so much for joining us and bringing us those key takeaways. Unfortunately, we'll have to leave it there.